Look at this goof experiencing catnip for the first time. I like to give my man some creature comforts once in a while, but never thought to give him catnip before. Look at him. Look at this goober. He loves it. Hi, buddy. Look at this guy. Look at him. Probably never had it in his life. It's okay. He's okay, dude. Look at him. Look at him. He loves it. Oh, look at that sweet boy. Look at that sweet kitty. Look at him, Clarence. He's enjoying some catnip. You like the catnip? He's like, what?